Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps like Google Play Store or a browser on Google Pixel 7a. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and here try to download something like this app right here. If we hit the install, it changes into the pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. We can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. If you try to refresh any already open page or try to reach new one, like YouTube, we have this error. And to fix both of these issues, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down to the system, and right here select date and time and set time automatically. If you go back to your browser and try to reach the same website, it works fine now. And the same is with Google Play Store. We can install the same app and it begins almost immediately. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.